how to open Explorer tab in Roblox Studio. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn how we can open up an Explorer tab in Roblox Studio. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to find the Explorer tab on Roblox Studio, because maybe you use Roblox Studio like this, and you've been trying to find the Explorer tab. Now, to find this is very simple. Once you have what you have on your screen, from the top you can see various options. Go to the option that says View. As and when you go to the View option from the top, now from the View option on the left hand side, now you'll find the option called Explorer. Now, of course, you can just choose to click on it and you'll be able to launch the Roblox Studio Explorer tab. And that way you'll be able to open up Explorer on Roblox Studio. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.